All I want is champagne and sunshine. Looking for a good time. Sipping on the stars while we laying under sun.
Morning. It's the 21st of December. We're actually feeling a bit hungover now because of last night's Koreans and soju. John did say that sojus do give you a big, like a worse hangover, or they do give you a bad hangover. And now we're feeling the effects of it.
Oh yeah.
And to a couple, we're going to head out to In-N-Out Burger. Well, these are the In-N-Out burgers. Ketchup, and Rachel found, guessing they're peppers?
Bell peppers maybe?
Bell peppers, bite it.
It's like very vinegary.
Spicy? I'm sorry.
Actually very spicy. There's first you heat the vinegar, and I think the seeds are really spicy, so like, woo!
Yeah, I wouldn't try that.
Interesting
Nope,
company.
nope.
That'd be good for the digestion.
Nah, I'm good. This is good for my digestion. This is the second time I've had In-N-Out. The first time was actually after Vegas and I was hungover, just like today. So it feels like every time I'm hungover in the States I get In-N-Out. So hopefully I'll enjoy it more this time, because last time I was out of it.
What's really interesting is like a cheeseburger and it's got lettuce in it and tomato. Oh, they don't do that at home. It's not a McDonald's burger at all.
Nope. It's just a quick stopover in the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Chinese Walk. Something theatre here. It's only a quick stopover. It's a bit of a tourist trap. But I find a lot of people dressed up as famous cartoon comic book characters. You don't have to stop and take photos of them, you just keep walking past. Also another tip as well, you've got to find a lot of people who kind of hand out their CDs to them. They'll say it's free, but then they'll ask for a donation. So if you ever somehow get someone in your hand, just drop it, walk away. Or just walk away just entirely. Now that's LA. What do you think of LA? Interesting. Not exactly what you see off TV.
No, it wasn't as glamorous. Definitely not as glamorous, but it was interesting.
Yeah.
It was like really beautiful bits.
Yeah.
And there were some really dodgy bits.
We know. Peace out, LA. You've been good for the second time. Bang. Las Vegas. Checked in. Bam. Bathroom. Big bed. Big TV. And Las Vegas got the T-Mobile Arena just outside. Now landing in Vegas. Now let's go check out the strip. Fried chicken, pork ribs, oysters, all the seafood. How is it, baby?
I'm trying to get so many things, so I have to get like a little bit of everything.
Back again.
A salsa bar, and you can just grab whatever you want for your salsa. And they have, look, mini tacos.
What's that?
Or pasta.
Or pasta.
I love pasta.
Got some cannoli for dessert, apple crumble and a brownie. Rachel's still going back to thirds. I think she's aiming for a third plate. You got your third plate in?
I love a good dessert bar, especially when there's ice cream. There's like 4 different flavours up there. That's just one flavour, so I've got to go up like 3 more times.
I can't talk.
Pie, pumpkin pie, candy corn, white pepper,
cookies and cream.
Yes.
Yellow.
Mix them up. What team colours are those?
No,
what house colour are they?
Gryffindor.
Yeah!
Gryffindor, yes! Cookies and cream. M&M slot machines. You like, oh no, look at the M&M's mug. The M&M's your way, so you can put your own names, letters onto.
How much that cost?
Yay, baby, you in Paris! Right, now we're at the Bellagio fountain. Like, I think the fountains goes off every 15 minutes. I think we just missed the first one, but preparing ourselves for the next one here.
We got prime spots.
Right behind the Eiffel Tower, all lit up. I guarantee you, I can send a photo like this, they just got to Paris, like this, and people would believe it.
Possibly, if they didn't know you're already in America.
Yeah.
Need a little Christmas now.
Heading back into the hotel, about to go back in, and as you know, every hotel in Vegas has a casino, and Rachel decides to gamble her life away. This is what she wins in the end.
Yay!
5 cents.
$5. I put in $5 and I got 5 cents back.
I was actually watching Willy Wonka the Chocolate Factory on the plane right here. Boom, this is a Willy Wonka slot machine.
It's like couples gambling.
So we both go broke because of this.
Yes,
Ah, we won something. That concludes the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoy it. If you subscribe to my channel, you get notified on all my upcoming travel videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.